Find success in gold by using these gems of tips. Recent economic woes made investors much more interested in securing stable, safe investment sources. Consequently, fascination with gold has skyrocketed. Gold investment must not be jumped into blindly. Every investor has to learn all they can first. Please read on to learn some tips about gold investing. Before selling or buying gold, be sure you are aware about how metals are priced. Precious metal prices vary every day, and it's best to discover the price before selling or buying gold. You may well be necessary to spend more on melt values should you be working together with fractional pieces. You could possibly pay more for a thing that is 0.25 ounces versus a thing that is 1 ounce. If you intend to offer jewelry through myline companies, make sure to seek information first. Be sure you comprehend the reimbursement terms, and don't neglect to purchase postal insurance for that package. Lastly, jot down and in addition photograph anything you send for this company in the event you use a disagreement. It's always a smart idea to verify the spot price prior to a purchase the same day. This price changes every single day. You can locate it on several different websites. When you actually go to buy, usually do not pay more than an 8% markup over this price. A few will try to charge even more, but that isn't ethical. In order to sell gold, ensure the buyer includes a state license letting them achieve this. There's always a risk of having conned, but a buyer that is licensed poses less likelihood of this occurring. There is absolutely no shortage of places to complete gold trading, so don't feel pressure to accept the first provider you with get. By using a brokered service, for example, gold money could be the gold investment technique that best fits your requirements. It is sort of just like a banking accounts for gold. You are making a merchant account, bank your money, and you receive gold on the price you chose for your account. Your gold is physically saved in a vault where it can be cashed in, segmented or redeemed for bullion bars. Just before investing in gold, research the current market. There are those who say they're market gurus and wish you to definitely invest using them. However, you have to be very careful in relation to promises about producing you rich. Don't think about gold as effortless money, and you can avoid fake claims. Be certain to review the sales contract carefully. You should know what you're entering into if you're by using a myline purchasing service to sell gold. This way, you may be conscious of the cut of your respective proceeds that will check out fees and commissions. Sometimes a product or service may have solid gold backing, although the jewelry is just not solid gold. Clasps of necklaces and ring bands are often real gold at the same time. In these instances, it's better to sell the gold parts in a lot. This really is various gold pieces in one quantity, and it may allow you to make better money. There are many different companies you could mail your gold into. Most sellers love this particular process a lot for its simplicity. They send you an envelope, so you ship the gold directly to them. They compensate you by check. Understand that these places usually will not pay around other places for gold. Be familiar with because you may receive approximately 30% less sometimes. Think carefully prior to deciding to sell off any gold. Gold prices carry on up, and it's high at this time. Nonetheless, it might go up more. The longer you hang on to the gold, the greater number of you'll make as a result down the road. Gold prices have raised 400% in the earlier 10 years, which is terrific for people who own this commodity. The growth and fall of the dollar determines the best times for selling and buying gold. Usually, the buying price of gold increases if the dollar's value decreases. Discover ways to verify the grade of gold pieces. The purity of golds is measured by carats. Purity will likely be indicated by higher carats along with a higher price. The carat stamp alone is not really an indicator of your true purity of gold. You are less likely to end up paying a high price for the item of poor when you discover how to test for that purity of your gold piece. Use a plan into position before starting making an investment in gold. Gold can be volatile, but it is great when you are trying to balance your portfolio through rough economic times. By setting goals and limiting your involvement, you may make smart selections for profit. Be sure you be aware of the buyback policy of your respective seller. Many people that buy gold forces you to pay a premium to find the gold resold, and some people don't accomplish that. If you intend to market larger, heavier components of gold, take into consideration how that weight might influence shipping costs for companies around the nation or world. To shield yourself, don't buy leaving gold within your dealer's physical possession. Buy only jewelry that is pure gold. You should use your gold jewelry as a fashion statement and sell it if you want cash. A sheet of gold jewelry that is certainly high value and crafted well offers additional value towards the piece, making it very good investment. When gold are at an increased, then it's time for you to consider selling your gold coins. Stocks alternation in price each day. Understanding stock exchange fundamentals will assist you to manage your hard-earned dollars. Look for indicators that stocks are increasing and then sell gold coins when this occurs. If you wish to target the ideal charts when performing a weekly analysis for gold investing, check out the monthly charts. MXC charts are great for plotting trends and identifying applicable research. Put both kinds of charts to work for you to find the best results. Recently, gold is becoming an exceptionally popular investment, and this appears to be a long-term trend. Always research any investment decision before committing your funds. Utilize these ways to obtain real wealth.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.